In 1834, a significant incident unfolded in London, shedding light on the complex relationship between public sentiment, law enforcement, and justice. This incident revolved around the killing of Police Constable Robert Culley during a demonstration in 1833, with subsequent events leading to intriguing legal and societal outcomes. The background to this incident was the Reform Act of 1832, which brought about changes in parliamentary constituencies and voting qualifications, spurring the formation of the National Union of the Working Classes. This organization aimed to address the exclusion of working class men from voting. On May 13, 1833, a demonstration was organized at Coldbath Fields to voice concerns about this disenfranchisement. This marked a significant challenge for the Metropolitan Police, who were tasked with maintaining order. Lord Melbourne, the Home Secretary, expressed concerns about the organization's political affiliations. He verbally instructed the Metropolitan Police Commissioners, Sir Charles Rowan and Richard Mayne, to intervene. However, the lack of written instructions led to ambiguity in their actions. The decision was made that the gathering would be deemed illegal once speeches commenced or flags were displayed. The demonstration saw chaos erupt as activists gathered. Amidst the turmoil, Constable Robert Culley was tragically killed. The subsequent inquest took a surprising turn when the jury, against the coroner's advice, ruled the killing as justifiable homicide. They cited the police's actions as ferocious, brutal and unprovoked, criticizing the absence of the Riot Act reading, and the government's inadequate precautions. This verdict highlighted public distrust of police actions, and emphasized concerns for civil rights and the use of force. This decision garnered attention, especially due to its contrast with another jury's acquittal of a demonstrator who had assaulted Culley's colleague. The verdicts underscored public sentiment and the criticism of police tactics. They also showcased the jury's independence, following a historical precedent set by the 1670 trial of Quakers William Penn and William Mead, who were acquitted despite judicial pressure. The incident's aftermath saw the jury celebrated by the public and each member awarded a silver cup, symbolizing their alignment with public sentiment. Despite its cruelty toward Culley's fate, the decision marked a positive shift in police public relations, and prompted discussions on law enforcement's role. This event also highlighted the challenges in managing public demonstrations, a task that evolved from military approaches to more civilian strategies. The incident of 1819 at St. Peter's Field, where soldiers killed protesters, demonstrated historical struggles in handling such gatherings. In contemporary times, the nature of riots has shifted towards property damage and communal fears about public order disruption. Demonstrations can easily escalate into violence due to passionate convictions. Arresting individuals becomes challenging, and gathering evidence against them is difficult in chaotic situations. Legal offenses related to riots and disorder have evolved, no longer requiring a formal Riot Act reading. Ultimately, the incident of 1833 serves as a significant chapter in the evolving relationship between public expression, civil rights, and law enforcement. It encapsulates the intricate balance between these elements, and how they shape societal progress.